Check that out. It's a pileated woodpecker. There's another one that just flew in too. There's a pair of them living over here near Potterton. And there's two of them here right now. The other one looks just like this one. I don't know if it's two males or what. Gorgeous birds. He's pecking on a dead oak tree that I should cut down. There's the other one. You might have just seen it fly by. God, they're just unbelievable birds. There he is. I get a better look at him. There you hear the call. Maybe we can get this other one in there too. Nope. There he is. He's moved over to another tree. Can't quite see him. There he is. Just barely you can see him there. Just see his head right there. Hopefully get the other one in here and get two in one shot. There he is. Yeah, that's I've left a couple of, there he is. Hopefully he'll make a call here. Oh, there's the other one. No, that was him again. Oh, maybe we can get a good shot over here. There he is. There's a dead, another dead tree that I've left. Makes me happy to see them come by. They don't come by very often. I think they live over by, there he goes. I think they live over by, I hear them calling a lot over by the Congressional School. I think they live back over there off Juniper Loop. I think he's on the ground right now, near my daffodils. Yeah, I can hear him pecking. You can just see him through the brush. There he is.